So we're back online. So what's up friends, so it's Prosper right here again, and here's another tutorial video. And here in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys is how you can build a sleek banking website, how you can create a modern banking website. This banking project is extremely modern. It does everything: the acceptance of BTC, wire transfer, IMF code, that is code, IMF code, PAN code, a lot of features. Any features you are needing for a modern banking, you will have it in this project that we're about to do. It also have site security. Before you get into the site, you must put in the security code so that it will verify that it is a human being logging in. So this is just an extreme modern banking project, right? So once you created an account with Namecheap, so you go to hosting. For you to get started, you must have a hosting account in a domain, right? So you come to the hosting. I will just go. If you go to the 2 years, you will have a lower discount. If you take a month, it will be higher. So I will go for 2 years and I'll click on get started. I want my hosting for 2 years. Then this way you're going to enter your new domain. So let's say PNG's finances. So you're going to see that getting your domain in the same process of getting your hosting, you will have a discount of, so you are paying just $5.5 for the domain. But if you have to buy this thing separately, you pay about $10 for the domain. So you have a $5 discount. And you know what $5 is? It's about 4,000 naira right now. The next thing you're going to do is what? You come down here and click on connect to hosting. So for 2 years, for your domain, for your hosting to be live in your domain, you are paying just $60. Is that not much? So as if you are paying $30 for a premium plus plan. This is a premium plus plan because we didn't go for the starter, we go for the what? Plus plan. So once you click on add to cart, it will prompt you to the billing page where you're going to do what? You're going to make a transaction. So if this is all what you booked for, then you click on confirm order. So once you click on confirm order, the next thing you're going to do right now is you are going to impute your payment system, your payment card, right? So you come down right here to the billing section and you add your card. So this is my card right here, you add yours, okay? So once you add yours, you click on what? Pay now, but I'm not going to do that because I don't need it. So I will just go back and clear my card. I will just go back and do what? Clear my card. I'm not buying anything now. I just only showed you. So once you've done that, they are going to send you your login details to the mail you use in creating an account with Namecheap. So you need to create a legit. You are going to use a re-domain. You use what? A re-domain. You use a re-email address so that you will not have all your login details sent to somewhere else. So when creating an account with Namecheap, use your original email address, okay? So once you've done that, you will log in back to your Namecheap account and go to your dashboard. So once you've logged into your dashboard in your Namecheap, you are going to see your product and you're going to see this kind of icon just like this, and you come down right here and click on go to cPanel. cPanel means your control panel. So this is where you are going to do all of what we'll be doing right now. So once you've done this, so the next thing you're going to need is the files that we are going to use in this project. So you can contact me and get this project file as cheap itself, right? So I'm a fair person because I need a lot of customer, I need a lot of help, like subscription to my channel and all of that. I'm going to do you guys very well. So ensure you contact me in getting this project. So, and at the same time, if you love what we're doing right here, ensure you hit the subscribe button and smash the like so that you will get notified when we drop dope and expensive content on this platform. When I mean expensive content that you can't just get anywhere, you have to get it from a premium plug. So I'm a premium vendor for you. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on file manager where I'm going to upload my file script. So once I've done that, I'm going to click on the domain I want to use. But for you, if you are just get starting, you are going to do all of yours in your public underscore HTML. Your public underscore HTML, that is where you are going to do all of what you will be doing. But for me, I'm going to use my domain pngstack.online. So this is the file you are going to upload. So you're going to click on upload right here, and once you've clicked on upload, you're going to click on select file. It's going to browse your computer, then you scroll down to where you have the file, right? Where you have the file. So let me check. So this is the file, right? This is the file. Is about 74.75 megabytes. So you should know that it's a very powerful project. Very powerful project. So I will not be uploading it because I already have it right in my zip and I already uploaded it. So I don't need to do it again for the sake of my megabyte. Okay. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is right click on it and you click on extract. You click on what? You click on extract. And once you click on extract, so once you've clicked on extract, it's going to extract all of the files, and all of these files will be extracted. So I have it on my star way, so I clicked on it. So this is the file. So the next I'm going to do now is, first I'm going to reduce my okay, let's just proceed. It might not need, so we need to configure a database. So we're going to quickly rush and create a database. So scrolling down in your cPanel homepage, you go to under the database section, you click on my database wizard, and you're going to create your database. So I'll name this one star. I'll click on next step. I'm also going to name my user what? Star. Then my password. So you create a password that you will not forget, because if you do, then click on create user. So I will double tap on the data I've created, Ctrl+C to copy. So my database name and my database username is the same. So anyone I copy, I can use for both. That is always create my database to look the same, right? Always create them to look the same. I'm going to check on all privileges and I'll click on next step. So in this case, my database has been created successfully. So my database has been what? Created successfully. So I'm going to head back to here. I will click on, so we want to set our database. We want to do or set our database. So let's say where we are going to insert the database. So I'm looking for the database folder. Let's click on database. So this is the SQL file. So this, you are going to download that. So when you get there, I'm going to show you. So let's say business. Let's click on business banking. Okay, we're seeing it right now. So we just click checking. Let's check on my account since we've not checked this folder. Okay, so let's click on script. Let's see script. Then you come down to connect.php. Connect. So you're going to click on edit, and you're going to click on edit. So once you've done that, we are going to impute the database configuration details right here. So my username is this, my database name is also this, so my database password is this that you're using. So I guess my database has been created. I'm going to save that real quick. So once that has been saved, I will come back and look for my SQL file. I'm going to look for my SQL file. So let me go back to the home. So just scroll down if you are going to see it here. Okay, so let's check the database. Okay, so let's download this. You double tap on it to download. So that has been downloaded. So let's check them account again. Okay, let's see the installation. What did it say? So we have database.sql. So we've seen to SQL file now. We've seen to SQL file. So let's quickly see something. Let's see which one the guy used. Okay, the guy used this code M777. Okay, so that's the one we're using. So heading back to where we are. So next thing I'm going to do right now is you are going to what? You go back to your cPanel homepage, or where you are, just click on PHP my admin. So you go to PHP my admin. So we're going to upload the SQL file in the database that we have created. So we are going to do what? Upload our database SQL file in the database we have created. So the database we created was star. Yes, star. So as you can see, it's empty. Click on import. Click on browse the file. And so this is the one that was taken. So click on what? Import. So once this has been imported successfully, the next thing we're going to do is how we are going to what? Start configuring our site. So from here you can click on user to see your admin. So let's click on user to see our admin. So our admin password is 123456. Our admin email is admin. So 123456, right? So we've gotten that. So let's see. So what next? So we've created a database created. So let's save it again. Saved. So our SQL has been uploaded, SQL is created. So next what we're going to do is we are going to browse our site pngs tech.online. So click on Starway. So we are up live. We are what? Up live. So next I'm going to enter the code. So 307081. So click on verify code. So code is verified successfully. So the next thing I'm going to do is now going to take us to our home page. So wow, our site has been configured successfully. Our site has been done what? Configured successfully. So to edit this page, so let's see what it takes. So just the home/home. Okay, as you can see, this is so slick. This is so beautiful. This is awesome. You don't want to miss this out. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is so nice. This is awesome. This is awesome. So the next thing we're going to do right now is we want to log in to our admin. We want to log into admin. So let's see the directory of our admin. So let's see under Starway, under my account, then admin. Right? So we can copy all of this, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and paste it in a new tab. So these are administrative. So we say is what? Admin at mail.com, and the password is what? 123456. So click on what? Continue. So we are logged into our administrative backend right now. So as you can see, we have the transaction, view, payments, check deposit, fund a user account, send email. You can see you can send email from your admin. Cryptocurrency virtual card, so it has what virtual card, that is credit card, debit card, KYC application, loan and credit finance, manage old code name, support tickets, general setting, logo favicon, plugins, email and SMS configuration, slider settings, miscellaneous. It also have for switch language. So this is a fortified banking project. This is a what? A fortified banking project. So the next I'm going to do is I'll go to what? General settings. So let's see what we have in our what? General settings. So for general settings, so our URL is this. Our bank is what? PNG's bank. Short name is what? TPNG's bank. So our mail, so let's create a mail. So heading back to your cPanel, so from here you can just click on what? Email. And click on email account. So you can click on create new. So let's call this what? Bank. And let's say the password is what? Admin. Okay, so let's create that. So since that has been created, so is what? So let's copy this real quick. So you can use the USDT. You put your phone number. So my phone number is 090666974. Base country. You can change your base country. So let's take Nigeria for example. Our currency. So you can see. So you can use this to work in Nigeria. So enable disable blocker. Yes. You can choose either light mode or dark mode, so that's a thing. So from here I can say this is what? PNG's bank, right? So site address, so you can just see how to say this is Lagos. Enable cryptocurrency, enable or disable crypto, enable or disable IMF court, enable court message, yes. The federal court code is required for the transaction successful, yes. IMF code message, yes. So we have 10 as attempts. So suspend user, so all of this you can re-edit every one of them. That. So GBT, as you can see, this is awesome. This is so awesome, so slick. So enable disable KYC, you can do that. Enable disable virtual card, you can also do that. Wow. So let's click on updates right here. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. I bet you guys this is extremely awesome. So let's see what we are having. So the next thing we want to do, we want to configure our mail. We want our bank to be sending mails and receiving mails. So so that will be our host, and the username will be this, and the password. So let's check the back SS space. So sometimes you check the back for SS space so that the password will be yes SSL yes 456 yes. The display name. So click on update. Then for the SMS, you can use your Twilio. Yes, I'm familiar with Twilio. I use this Twilio. So your Twilio, you also have a premium account. So I don't have a premium account anymore. So just ensure you insert all of this and click on update. It will work perfectly because it works, right? It does. So we have created our emailing successfully. So let's go to logo and favicon. So let's choose our logo. Let's choose our logo. So you can actually create a logo real quick. So let's create a logo. So you can use Jetta logo designer. Are you getting it? So you can use Jetta logo designer. So let me use this one. Let me call it P. So I guess we're okay. So next thing we do is what? We right click on background, solid, change it to what? Transparent, click on OK. You can say digital banking. So we can make this red. Digital banking. So we can just, so let's save this file. Save image as. PNGs. Okay, so in this case, so let's browse now. So this is right here. So click on update. So do same thing. So do same thing also. So header logo. So for the favicon, you can also choose for a favicon. So we've done our logo and favicon. So we good. So let's see what's next. So we've done that. The next thing we're going to do, so let's check our email. So we don't have a user yet, right? So let's see what other things can we do before we register a user. We don't email settings, email and SMS configuration, slider settings. So let's see slider settings. This should be for the home page. Yes, home page sliders. So you can do all of this edit real quick. So let's see the miscellaneous. Okay, so now let's create an account. So let's hard refresh. So access account. Click on enroll for online banking. So you accept the terms and conditions. You see, this is so modern. It is so modern, believe me. So first name, middle name, so let me assume so you see, this is so awesome. So let's say we are taking that. Okay, so you just set that up real quick. So occupation, can say self-employed, salary range $100 to $500, account type, as you can see, look at the type of account type we have. So savings account, currency, so then password, confirm password, then passport, you upload your passport. For me, I will just use this Bitcoin, right? Okay, so let's submit now. Your account has been successfully registered. A confirmation email will be forwarded to this mail address. Okay, so click on OK. So now let's go and look for the mail. As you can see, our mail just came in our PNG's bank. Hello, John Morrison. Thank you so much. So all of this, wow, account ID 246810. Your password is the password. Your secret code is this. So as you can see, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. So now let's log in. Account number, so the one we copied. So let's check if there is no. Then our password. Click on continue. Okay, so let's go and activate the account as an admin. So they say the account is not active, so the admin need to what? Activate that account. So let's see, find the user account. So let's find the user's account. So as you can see, John Morrison is right here. So let's click on. Okay, so once you click on home, I get to take it to your dashboard, newly registered account. So we have fund account, send mail, delete account, approve account, enable two-factor authentication, suspend account, block fund transfer. Wow, you can block fund transfer for any and any. So what we're going to do first, we are going to first of all approve this account. So account has been activated. So let's see, have we verified the image? Does it need us to verify? You haven't trouble, please copy this link to your browser. So let's confirm, let's verify. So we want to verify the account. So account registration complete. So we did it from the mail. Your account has been what? Verified. So we can go home now. So let's continue. So let's enable two-factor authentication. So that has been enabled. So the email now has been verified. So we can fund this user, right? So let's fund this user's account. Let's fund this user account. So let's give this guy 100,000 for registering with our bank. So the scope, how does we want the scope to be? So check the local transfer, international transfer. So let's assume it's a what check deposit. Description for creating an account with us. So let's say we use one local transfer frequency. Email, yes, we want email to be sent. And click on continue. So we're giving that guy about $110. Confirm transaction, yes. So that amount of money has been sent to that guy. So this is the guy's account, personal information, credit accounts. So as you can see, notification, we just received this amount of money, credit alert, debit account, change photo, account activity, security settings. So we can do all of this as an administrator. So this project is so awesome. This project is extremely awesome. This project is wonderful. So let's see. So now let's log in as the user. So we're logging in as the user. So let's see. Okay, they said let's make sure it's really you. We have sent. Okay, they said they've sent to our box. Okay, so it came to the spam rather. So let's enter the confirmation code. So 1778 1778. So let's verify. Wow, so we are in. We are in. So we are in. So your IP address is from the American. So let me see. Okay. So let's see. I'm logging in from USA. So let's see. Okay, New York Empire. That's correct. So let's see the much as much we can do. So we can pay bills, right? Let's see the bills we can pay. We can transfer. You can see account summary. We can send money either to PNG's bank or to other bank or cross-board. Wow. Cross-board transfer, deposit check, pay bills, virtual card, KYC start to loan accrediting, account settings, support. So let's see deposit crypto. Also have fiat withdraw. You should quickly jump on this project. This project is awesome. This is one of the best projects I've seen. One of my best banking projects I have seen. So choose assets, so Bitcoin. So amount to deposit. So let me start to deposit $2,000 BTC. So minimum is $10. So I click on continue. So we can manage all of this from the administrative end. So you are going to copy that Bitcoin wallet address and make deposit to it. And once you've made deposit to the wallet address, you click on copy right here. And once it is copied, you make your payment. So you can put your wallet address also in case you tender for refund. Refund can be made to you. Then you click on what? Confirm transaction. So that has been done successful. So the admin is going to see that right away. So let's say you want to send money to other bank. Let's say to other bank. So you can do extra tutorial, or should we just go ahead and create another account? So we'll transfer in between two accounts. So let's quickly go and create an account. So continue from here. So I want to send from our savings. So I want to send like 2,000 naira, urgent 2k. I want to send urgent 2k. Continue to next step. So bank name, PNG bank. I don't want to write another existing bank that probably will not go happen 21, 26, 69, 2022. So I mean, disclaimer for anything that pertains to do with fraud is just for educational purpose. For those people that are wanting an university project, you can quickly do this for your university project. So account holder, okay, this guy is already Prosper. So you can transfer to that is UBA. That's my account number, correct one. So transfer, will receive the money, okay. The bank is not BH's bank, it's UBA 21, 26, 69, 2022. Description from PNG's media and technology. So continue to next step. So review your transaction. Kindly review this transaction before proceeding. Yes. So continue transaction. So please wait. Transaction in progress. As you can see, look at how it's making the progress. This is awesome. It even give a news. Do you know COVID-19? So this is so awesome, bro. This is so awesome. So now it's required for VAT code. So let's go to the admin. Let's see all of those codes. So let's see transaction. So let's see where we can get all of those codes. So these are the codes here. So let's see what is asked us. VAT code. enter VAT code. So we have been seeing VAT code here. We've not seen VAT code. So let's look for the VAT code. So we have all of this code, VAT code, IMF. Wow. So let's see support ticket. So we need our VAT code. We've been here before. Email. Let's see plugins. So we have credible insert live chat. I'm getting it. So I'm not saying VAT you, till revert you. So let's look for it. I'm just even exploring this project. Okay, maybe we should enter inside the user and see its VAT code. Okay, we are here. IMF code. Hello? Adikajad, what's up? Okay. I go run on this night. Then tomorrow I'll reach you. I go do some setup this night. Then tomorrow we'll check out. Okay, the guy talk Friday, Abi. I go dey chance Friday. Yes. So what day are you likely to? Oh yeah, now. No problem. Tomorrow you think go show. Okay. Yes. You have it now. Alright. So the federal IMF code is required for this transaction to be completed successfully. You can use a general bank for customer representative for more details of the IMF code. So okay, this part is for the IMF code. And they are not turning somebody's eye. Okay, so let's go back to our general settings, Abi. This way we likely saw it. I thought I saw it in the user's account. Police IMF code. So copy it. So let's check. Yeah. Okay, where are we going to see this VAT? Let's check if it's in this guy's. Let's check around this guy's account. Or I'll just go and change the hierarchy of those things. Dashboard, sending across the that's what I So let's go and change the hierarchy. Remember, it's manage alt code name. The first code is INF. The second code code. Third code VAT. Let's try the transfer again. We'll just quickly go and watch the guy's tutorial. So let's see, send money. Okay, let's send money to other bank. Yes, complete transaction. VAT code. So since I don't know the VAT code, so let's go and see where did the guy saw the VAT code. Okay.
Yeah, you can add value that code was supplied. Now we enter the bill. Scroll down. Now this is the VAT code. This is the VAT code.
Okay. So going back to where we are, so they say the PVT is the is the VAT. So general settings. So this is the VAT. Okay, this goes fine. So let's continue. So BOT. So this is BOT. So the admin, if this admin to send this code to the user, we just want to send mail and send to the user to look more standard and confidential, right? So you send that using the mail to the user. So BOT is required. So that has been supplied. So BVT now. So an OTP has been sent to our mail. Wow, this is so secure. A person transfer money information. Yeah. So as an OTP has been sent to us. So let's see the OTP. So the OTP is So let's verify our OTP. So transaction is successful. Transaction is what? Successful. So our account balance is remaining 98,000. So you can go back home. So let's see how we can configure our front end. Let's see how we can do what? Configure our front end. So we've gotten a debit alert. So this is so prompt. So from here, loans and line of credit. So with what we already have, it has shown us that we are able to what? We can borrow up to 4,000 naira. With our transaction history, we can borrow up to what? 4,000 naira now. So this is awesome. This is so awesome. So let's see for switching language. So let's see the language that we have. Let's assume we want Persian. So let's see what's going to happen. So everything is in Persian. This is awesome. This is awesome. Okay, so let's see how we can configure our front end. So we come to what? Slider settings. So everything has been partial. So let's change it to English. So let's see plugin. Let's just browse through. Okay, that's for the plugins. So we did a deposit, right? So let's check deposit. Let's see for the deposit. Okay, let's see for cryptocurrency. Pending deposit. and this guy did it. So we can choose to what? Approve or reject. So let's approve it. We saw the money, that's correct, so approving it now. So deposit approved. This is awesome. So how can we configure our front end now? How can we configure our front end? So we can do that from the cPanel. We can actually do that from the cPanel. I just remembered. So from the cPanel, going back to the cPanel, crypto deposits confirm. So from the cPanel, click down here. You can see it gives us all of this access. So let's click on, first go to index.php and do home.php. I guess it should be home.php. Okay, so all of it. So from here, okay. So Control F to find. So let's say star way. Say star way. So let's say star. So we only have one of one. So this one does not have anything for us to change. The next, let's go to home. Let's edit the home. So you can do all of that for all of the pages. You go through one by each. You go through one by each. Control F to find. So let me say star, just only star. So let's see all the star we have. So almost everything you can see here, it shows echo site name. So once we set the site name from the admin, you don't need to go to the backend to do any edit, but you can edit any of these things. You can see those text in black. You can be editing each and every one of them. Anyone you wish to edit. Are you getting it? Anyone you wish to edit. So this is where you edit them from the back end. You can come to the about us, PHP, loan, the car loan business. You can change everything that are here, right? You can change each and everything that are there. So you don't need to worry about anything. So this project is awesome. This project is so awesome. So the last thing we're going to do now is we are going to write a support. We're going to send mail, and we are going to create a new user account and make a transfer and see if it works as a local. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a new user account. We're going to create a new user account. So let's create a new user account. So the code is 915664. So click on open an account. So enroll for online banking. Accept the terms and conditions. So the first name will not be what? So this guy is, let's just, so don't interrupt things, let's just stay Nigeria. Let's assume we're operating as a Nigeria company, right? This guy is from Nigeria. It's also from Lagos that I am, and his city is also in Lekki. So this guy his zip code is 10200. His date of birth is 2000 May 5. His address is Lekki, Lagos. plus also his phone number is plus. So let him take this one. His email is now okay. So he's a government person. His salary is about $1,000 to $2,000. So what I can type, he wants to create a savings account, or let's say business account, let's say current account. So he wants to be saving in Naira. So his password is and his passport is this. So let's remove. Okay, so let's activate this guy's account. So a new configuration has been sent. So let's just make this guys. So you just created an account with, okay, confirm email is here. Enable two-factor authentication. So again, Bitatosh is ready to go. So we'll send money to his account from that guy. So his account number has been created. So let's copy his account number. So it automatically create account number for user. So you can never run out of account number. It keeps forging. So let's have any digit. 3, 3, 3. So this is 100,000 million billion. So we can have about 999 999,999,999. So we can have about 9 billion users. Is that not awesome? Okay. So what do we want to do now? I want to transfer money, right? So from here, from this guy, let's transfer to that guy. So send money to PNG's bank. So let's send money to PNG's bank. So from savings account number, this is the guy's account number. So it's automatically dictates the name of the user. So that is awesome. So I want to send him 5,000. So continue to next step. Okay, we can actually change the daily limit, so we're going to do that quickly. Okay, he has sent more than, so let's just send 3,000 in this case now. So Bitatosh is confirmed. So OTP has been sent to these guys, to that guy. So OTP has been sent to that guy. So 9064. So confirm transaction. So transaction successful. Transaction do what? Successful. So let's log in to that guy. So So this is account number. So, and his password is what? Okay. So a verification code will be sent to him likewise. So let's go to this guy. A verification code will be sent to him for his login. So let's check the spam. Let's check his spam. Maybe spam level is okay. So let's take his web 5384, 5384, 5384, 5384. Three 5384 5384, and that's correct. So this guy is logged in into his account. So he has a 3,000 naira that was sent to him by who? So let's view details by Oracle John Morris. So you see that this project is awesome, so much. Ooh, la la la. So let's create support. So let's create support. Let's create virtual account. Let's create loan, right? So support. So what department? Account department. Type of complaint. I got credited without any deposit. Full stop. Can I withdraw the money? Click on submit. So a ticket has been created. Then let's send mail. Let's see for the admin. Let's send mail. So send mail to user account. Send mail to a user. So let's send to this one subject. Someone sends you the money. So let's send that mail. So that has been sent successful. So let's see our support. So for the support ticket, let's check the support ticket. So as you can see, account department. So let's view it. So we can reply. We can say someone sent you the money. View again. Someone sent you the money. So we send it that back. So we've replied. So the next thing we want to do is, from this guy, we want to take a loan. This guy wants to make a loan. So loan amount, wants to loan 10,000 naira. Select loan. So deposit. As you can see. So I'm going to check that mail. Personal home loan. This project is so awesome. Payment tenor 12 months. So you can write anything. Let's continue. Continue. So you have to pay back 13,000 something. So your request has been submitted. So your interest monthly payment is 1 1,300. Wow. 10,000 for 12 months. Okay, so you can do the math later and we configure all of those. You can set your loan. If you come to right here, you come to your loan and financing, so loan management. So you look at the interest rate, right? This interest rate, this is for managed fee, insurance fee, penalty, charge fee, all of that. So you can apply it to that. So let's create. The next thing we want to do is what? We want to create a virtual card. So let's say for the virtual card, so request for a new card, so that this project works extremely fine. It works extremely fine. Select one question. What's the name of your place? What's the name of your high school? Kabe College. So if you want a visa, a master, a discover, I want a master card. I have read terms and conditions. All the information I enter is correct. So let's apply. So that has been applied successfully. So from the admin, let's go to virtual card and see those. So pending, so let's approve. So we've approved it, we've approved, that's touch. So let's see for loan also. So once that have been done, let's check for the loan. For the loan request, so let's see for the loan request. So pending loan, so we can what? Approve that loan. So we have approved that loan. So your loan has been approved. So click on approve. So the loan has been done, what? Approved. This is awesome. This project is so fantastic. It's like we should not even stop this class. We should just keep moving on. Virtual card activated. Loan approved. So let's see for bills, pay bills. So this is your CSV. As you can see, this is awesome. So you can inactivate it by yourself. You can add funds to your card. Oh my god, let me see that. So let's add from our current balance. Let's add 2,000 naira. What's the name of your high school? Kabe. When did you finish high school? College. So your top up was successful. So your card now, you have how much? How much do you have in your card? Balance. Look at it here, 2,000 naira. So let's see. Okay, KYC. So let's see for KYC. So click here to complete your KYC. Yes, your address. Yes. Passport, upload here. So you just choose the right one. No, this one is tutorial. No, this one is tutorial. So I'll be tutorial rather, not tutorial. Okay, so I'll submit. We have. So our KYC has been submitted. So if we come to the admin site, we will see the KYC. So as you can see, it's pending. So from here we can what? We can approve the KYC, right? Approved. So So KYC has been approved. This project is awesome. I love this project. Mwah! So what else? What else? What else? What else? What else can we do? What else can we do? So let's see what else is remaining for us to do. Support ticket done, this done, this done, this done, this done, this done, this done. So in this case, so we would like to call this section to a close. We would like to call this section to a close. So let's see general settings. There's something I remembered we can do. There's something I remember that we should do. So let me just quickly, let me say miscellaneous. So I'm actually checking for something. Let me quickly, if I get this now, I will know. So once I get this now, I will know that. So let me see. That touch west. So let's view details. Okay. Okay, there's something I'm actually looking for. Okay, at this point, so we'll call this section end of this class. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next class. Ma'am, okay.